Hi guys, welcome to Learn with History YouTube channel. Today we are gonna be teaching molecular and empirical formula. So let's start. Question: find the empirical formula of a compound which analysis yield the following as the reactant masses. Our carbon is 2 gram, our hydrogen is 0.84 gram, and our oxygen is 2.57 gram. And they give us the atomic mass of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So they now said, from your results, find the molecular formula of the compound if its relative molecular mass is 60. So let's start. The first thing is our carbon C, our hydrogen H. Let's represent our hydrogen with H and our oxygen with O. Our relative mass. Our relative mass is 2 gram. For hydrogen, we have 0.34, and for our oxygen, we have 2.67. We are going to divide this by our atomic mass. So dividing this by 12, we are going to divide this by 1, and we are going to divide this by 16. So 2 divided by 12 will give us 0.1666 and so on. So we are going to approximate it to 0.17. And this 0, press your calculator. 0.34 divided by 1 is still 0.34. 0.17 because of the space. 0.34, and this one is still 0.166, so we are going to approximate it to 0.17. So the next step is to divide this by the smallest number. We are going to divide it by the smallest answer. So the smallest one is 0.17. So we are going to divide all our answer by 0.17. 0.17. So dividing this by 0.17, this by 0.17, and this by 0.17. So it will give us 0.17 divided by 0.17 is 1. 0.34 divided by 0.17, that's 2. And 0.17 divided by 0.17 is 1. So let's bring down our CHO. So we have 1 carbon, C1. We have 2 hydrogen, H2, and we have 1 oxygen, 0.1. That's CH2O. We are having CH2O. That's our empirical formula. So moving to our molecular formula. Let's do it here. Our molecular formula. We have CH2O. So let's bring our CH2O, our empirical formula. CH2O. X, it is unknown. We are looking for our molecular formula. X equal to, what's our relative molecular mass? The question says our relative molecular mass is 60. 60. Our relative molecular mass is 60. So what's our carbon? Our carbon is 12. Carbon is 12. On our bracket. Our hydrogen is 1. But here, our hydrogen is 1, but we are having 2 hydrogen here. So we are going to multiply 1 by 2. So let's open small bracket. 1 times 2. Because our hydrogen is 2. Plus our oxygen is 16. Our oxygen is 16. X equal to 60. So 12 plus 2, 1 times 2, that's 2, plus 16 x equal to 60. Adding this up, we are going to have 30x equal to 60. Divide both sides by 30 over 30 divided by 30. 30 here. So we are going to have 2 equal to 2. 2, we got 2. So to get our molecular formula, we are going to multiply the empirical formula by 2, and this is our empirical formula. So CH2O, we are going to multiply by 2 by 2 by 2. So we have C2 H2 times 2, that's 4, H4 O2, yes, C2 H4 O2, that's our final answer. So this is our molecular formula and this is our empirical formula. So that's how to find our molecular and empirical formula.